What's guys, me looks one tiny dude. Today we got another Beyblade X unboxing. This is Hammer Incendio 370 Hex. Or that's a Hexa, I mean. I picked this up at my local GameStop for $9.99. I don't have a pro membership, but if you do have pro membership, you save 50 cents. So back to the box, you have your layer, Hammer Incendio. I like to call it Hell's Hammer because that's Takara told me. This is a balance type, but it says this this layer has heavy smash attack. Okay. 370 height for the ratchet, it's alright. The Hexa bit, that thing is pretty good. Alright, let's let it rip. It also comes with a light launcher because it is a starter pack. Let's get all the parts out. Oh, there goes the ratchet flying. Now moving on to the parts. Here's the layer itself. Hell's Hammer or Hammer Incendio. You see there's 3 big blades, got 1, 2, 3, and the blades are like pointing downwards, so that way once it attacks it's gonna push the blade going downwards, like boom, and it'll send them flying. The 370 ratchet. It's an alright ratchet. And we have the Hexa bit. Same as the wizard rod that I recently unboxed. Or actually no, it's the... I have one from a Sword Phoenix from Hasbro. There's a blue one. But basically this thing, all the gears here, there's 16 instead of the regular 12. And then the rush bit from the wizard rod has 10. But this one has 16. So this, once it hits the rails, it's gonna accelerate faster on the rails. And let's put the bait together. Actually, I'll show you the code real quick. There's the code if you have the app. Let's put the bay together. What the bay looks like. It's pretty beefy though. These blades are huge. And then the light launcher. I like the color scheme of this one, even though I'm not gonna use it. But it is it's black and then has a red ripcord. I'm not gonna use it, but man, this looks pretty cool compared to the other ones from the BX line. All right, moving on to test battles. All right, moving on to the test battles. Here we got Hell's Hammer and whatever that is.
Yokon.
3, 2, 1. We're just trying to see those smash attacks.
Yeah, I'm gonna use one too. I did 960 last time, but it's actually good.
Hey. That is the smash attack.
3, 2, 1. I'm gonna negotiate. Three, two, one. Mess up your whole floor. Oh, that was so unlucky. Snack talk, man. That was so good. 2, 1. Oh! 2, 1. Oh, get out. Don't want to grab the rock, paper, scissors? Okay. So you can set it with me.